If you're looking for a job, you've probably just told it's a numbers game, just keep applying, hope for the best. But the reality is that the job market is very bad right now, and looking for a job can seem exhausting. And most of your job applications will just kind of disappear into the void. If you are tired of being ghosted by the job application system and just feeling like you're not making any progress on your job hunt, in today's video, we have a really cool product that I want to go over, a really cool tool that I want to review. So the tool that we're looking at today is Hirecarta. It is a free AI-powered career coach and resume tool that helps you tailor every resume and cover letter in minutes. And what I love about this tool, and the reason I wanted to review it, is the story behind it is incredible. It's this man named Chester Liu, who was a software developer, actually lost his job a couple years ago and was really trying to find a new job, found that it was exhausting. It took a lot of time. And instead of kind of running through the rat race, he said, well, I'm a product designer. I could just make something myself. And so he did. But not only that, he started using it for his own job search. And then his family members started using it and they landed jobs. And so he was like, oh, this might actually be something. Hirecarta isn't just another resume tool. The problem with most resume builders, and I've seen this even on videos that I've reviewed on this channel, is a lot of times they make up information. They'll just kind of, you put in your resume, they pop out something that may or may not be your experience, and then you're like, where did that come from? What I love about Hirecarta is you put in your resume information, the system actually asks you questions, similar to how an AI coach would kind of onboard you. It asks you questions about your experience, what you think is a standout, what are your highlights, things like that. And with that information, it can actually look at what roles that might be a fit for you. And once it knows your career story, it can start to articulate the best fit for you, whether that be jobs or functions. So for example, if you apply for a marketing job versus a data analyst job, it can give you the recommendations for those roles based on your experience and say, here's how you should position your resume for each option. So you have one profile, but you have infinite possibilities without having to rewrite your information over and over again. You can pull any job description from LinkedIn or from Indeed or a company's website with just one click.
So I want to stop and show you what this looks like. Just generally not something that a lot of tools have. So you can see I have my information on the right side. That is the job description that I've uploaded or the resume that I've uploaded, the job description that I'm looking at, and then it gives you an overall job fit. So you can see with this particular job that I pulled off of Indeed, there's a lot of sample areas. So in yellow, you can see that these samples or these responsibilities maybe don't fit with my current role. And I'm able to look at how to generate a resume that better fits this role, if this is the role that I want, or I can review this overall job fit and see that it's actually not necessarily a job that I'm not a fit for. So you can apply for it, you can adjust your resume if it's a job that you really want, or you can look and say, oh, this actually isn't for me, and then move on that way.
And then the AI scans the job description and compares it to your profile, showing what's a match and what's missing and how you can close the gaps. And with that information of the job description layered in with your career story, Hirecarta makes a new resume that fits the role that you're looking to apply for, but without having to make up any information. So you get this new resume and a cover letter customized for the role all within minutes. There's no templates, there's no guesswork. It's just you interacting with your AI coach to help you better position yourself for a position.
So you can see here that Hirecarta is an AI coach or resume builder, but it really does walk you through every step of the career kind of application or the job application process. You have applications, you have your interview prep if you want to ask questions or be interviewed. And then you have your personal coach, who's kind of somebody that you can go back and forth with. And then there's also a career guide to kind of help you navigate what you're trying to do. One new feature that is just added is a networking tab. You can actually create a message that goes to the recruiter, to the hiring manager, or other employees within the company. And then you can actually generate the message, copy it, and then send them a direct LinkedIn message from your LinkedIn profile.
And of course, the dashboard has ways of tracking your progress and things like that. So you can keep track of what you've done so far and what your experience has been with the AI coach. And so while most systems are meant to keep people out, or their most ATS systems are meant to weed people out, Hirecarta makes sure that you are one of the people that stays in the mix, increasing your odds of getting an interview and obviously getting the job. And it's not just for coders or for developers, it's for actual normal people like you and me who don't necessarily know how to code our own AI tools like Chester Liu might, but we still can benefit from having this AI coach help us land the perfect role. And just so you know, when you do decide to use this tool, it is free to use. I'm not getting paid for this, by the way, but if you decide to use it and you do a donation, it helps you pay it forward to the next person that is looking for that new job. And in my mind, it makes it less of a tool and more of a community of people, and we're all in this together. So if you're job hunting right now and you're really struggling trying to stand out, or you feel like you haven't gotten any interviews, try out Hirecarta for free. It'll be a really, really cool tool for you to try. And at minimum, you'll be able to get your career story figured out and better help you with interviews. So if you're actively interviewing right now and you're wondering if you got the job, check out this video that I made about signs that you got the job. And with that, I will see you on the next one.